Today, let me turn the radio down. CD actually. Today is a pretty awesome day. I am probably 30 miles from the equator, screaming towards the equator at like 5 knots. I've got every scrap of sail I own up. Here, let me show you the boat. A beautiful day. Let me not drop my camera in the water. See the jib up there. My Yankee, my main's up, everything's up. It's a beautiful day. The equator is just right over there. Can you see it? Well, maybe not, but it's close. See how fast we're doing. Oh, we slowed down a little bit. We're doing 4.6. Let's get the wind drop down to 11.9. Nope, 12. We're doing about 14. But anyway, very cool day. Today I become a shellback, which means I sail across the equator. Kind of cool. You're supposed to wear women's underwear and get drunk and dance around and make a fool of yourself. Pierce your ear, stuff like that. But it'll be fun tonight. I don't know if I have any women's underwear. I can put my sarong on. That's kind of close to women's clothing, isn't it? It's kind of like a skirt. I wear that a lot, actually. It's not a bad thing, though. No, don't start. I do not wear women's underwear. Somebody actually sent me an email today saying, "Oh, it should be natural for you. I'm sure we can always picture you wearing women's underwear." No. But anyway, cheers from the equator. It's a great day, and I'll take some more videos shortly.